then here where it says description, you're just gonna put a little description about yourself. Type in what you want to learn. So and then you click on add, guys. What's up everybody, it's your boy Vixie, and today we're going to become a freelancer.
I got the job.
So how to create a Fiverr account, and this is a complete guide. First of all, what you're gonna do now is to go down to the description. You see a link where it says Fiverr, join Fiverr. Click on that link. It's going to take you to the Fiverr page, and that's where we're going to start creating our account. So let's do that. Yeah, so when you click on the link, it's going to take you to this page where it says Fiverr. You can see this is the official page of Fiverr. Just click on it, it's going to take you here, or you can just come to fiverr.com, but you should just click on my affiliate link. It's my affiliate link down. What you're going to do now is to click on join. Yeah, so you can either join with Facebook or join with Google or join with Apple, but I recommend you join with your email. Please guys, put a verified email. Put an email that you know you won't forget that it's working. Put a working email, guys. So guys, after you finish putting your email, then you're gonna click on continue. Then it's going to load, and then it's going to come to this place where you're going to put up your username. I'm going to fix the 808 as my username, and then I choose a password, a very strong password, guys. Choose a very strong password. I'll put in my password. Okay, so after you put your password, then you now click on join. You have created your account, and what you're going to do next now, guys, is very important. So what I want you guys to do next is to come to this place here where it shows this blue green here. Then you click on it, then come to here where it says profile. Then you go to your profile, guys. Sorry, so you can see this is where you have your profile, where you're going to fill up everything. So first of all, you're going to put in your image. Click on the image. That's your profile picture. So I advise you put a face. Put up your face, guys. Put your face. Do not put a car or any other thing, or your name or funny. Just put up your face. Let's put this something like this, but you should make it a little bit closer. This is just for a tutorial video. So what you're gonna do here is you're just gonna sell yourself small. So what your storyline, what can you do? You're just gonna type in something for the purpose of this video. For the purpose of time, I'm going to type in, and then I'll get back to you guys. So this is what I came up with. Yet the graphic and videographer. So I'm just selling myself in just a little phrase, a little line, just selling myself here with just 4 words. Yeah, 1 2 3 4, just 4 words. Very simple. Just sell yourself. Just say you're the writer, the bonafide writer, or if you're a singer, you say this thing, the beautiful singer, the beautiful musician. Just sell yourself here with just in a few lines. You get what? Next, you come down, and then here where it says description, you're just gonna put a little description about yourself. Put a little description about what you do. Be specific in the things you do. People don't really want to care about whether you have a friend or your friend has a friend, or you play ball. So just look, you can see what I did here. Okay, my name is Victor, and I love graphics and videography. I am passionate about design and do anything to create something beautiful. So now what I'm telling people is that everything I am just so passionate about design and graphics and videography. So this, and I'm kind of mixing it with things I love. You get? So try to make it about you, about what you do, and then about not necessarily formal. You get the point. So you can do it. If you're a writer, you say, yeah, I am Victor, I'm a writer, I love writing, and every time I sit down in the room, I think about words, my library. Just try to make people understand that, yeah, you're good at writing and you are just passionate about it. It's something very easy for you to do. So let's come down here where it says language. The basic language should be English and fluent. Yeah, I speak fluently. So conversational, yeah, negative. So leave it as fluent, guys. Then you click on update. Here you click on update too, where the description, you click on update. Yeah, update. And then here, guys, is where you're going to link your accounts. That's your Facebook account, your Google account, all your accounts, your Twitter, everything. So it's very important. If you should link it, it's going to create this transparency. You understand? People are able to find you authentic. So what else? Here where it says skills, you're gonna add skills. So what can you do here? You see videography is part of your skills. So you just look for the skill that you can do. If you're a writer, you're gonna write this a writer, and so you just add up so many. So you just add up so many skills that you can offer. Then expert level, are you a beginner or you're intermediate or an expert? So here you're gonna put, then you're gonna click on add. Then education, guys. Education is the country where you had your education. Yeah, I had mine in Nigeria. I'm still in Nigeria. I'm a Nigerian, so I'm gonna look for Nigeria. If you're an American, if you're where, just put anywhere. You get the point. Just put it, and then your title. Yeah, do you have a BSc? Do you have a master's? Do you have, yeah? Just put everything there. Associate, certificates. You put everything. Major. You put it. So what next? Well, okay, so the year you graduated, you put the year you graduated in school. When did you graduate from school? Yeah, so you put it here. If it's 20, if it's 2021, if it's 2020, 2019, if it's 20, yeah, any year you graduated from school, you put it here. So this place where it says okay, let's add sorry, I've not added this education, so we're gonna click add education. So here where it says certificate, guys, it's very important to put in certificate here. So what I want you guys to do is you just go to and check in for free certificates. Free certificates. So you check where you can get free certificates online. Yeah, so you see this is a website where you can get free certificates online. Yeah, Allison, what you're going to do now is now come here where it says certificates. You just say videography and certificate from, you now put certificate from Allison. Sorry, yeah, from Allison. What year did you finish certificate? You could just put in the year you finished. Let's say 2020 is when I finished it. You just put in 2020. So, and then you click on add, guys. It's very important, and then you can add more certificates to this. You can add more certificates. You can delete it, you can edit it. So that's just it, guys. It's very important to put up your certificate even if you don't have any certificates. Now Allison is a website where you can get certificates. You can get courses for free. Allison.com. You can get certificate courses for free, and you can enroll. You can take courses for free, guys. Like, people don't actually know this, but you can actually just come here, you type in what you want to learn, and you're gonna get certificates, guys. Like, it's crazy. So you're done with your account. So you just click on update, and then yeah, you can preview your account. So guys, yeah, you have created your Fiverr account, and voila, congratulations. So here it says change email or support email. You need to activate your account or green or gold account. So it's very important you activate your account. So let me go activate my account, and I will finish wrapping everything up. So you must have to activate your account, guys, for you to be able to start using Fiverr. So guys, if you want to learn how to create your gig on Fiverr, click on the next video up here. It's going to show up on top of the screen. Click on it, and it's going to take you to the next video on how to create your Fiverr gig. And peace out, guys.